Hey everyone, Carlton from DIY Cabinets, back for another how-to video. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install a cabinetry handle. In this step, you're going to need a handle, whether that's a handle through our handle range or you're going to supply your own handle. Either way is completely fine. You'll need a pre-drill, a tape measure, and a pencil, but most importantly, a 5mm drill bit, which can be found in our installation kit. You have complete free range to install your handles any way you like. All that we would suggest is that you make sure throughout your kitchen it's consistent. In this video, I'm going to install my handles 50mm up from the bottom and 50mm in from the side. It is important to make sure that measurement is marked on the side that the door opens. Now that you have marked your handle position, you are going to take the 5mm drill bit and carefully drill a hole for your handle screw to be placed through. Then you will fasten your handle to the cabinetry door and tighten it with a screwdriver. Now that you've successfully installed your first cabinetry handle, complete the exact same process on the remainder of your cabinetry, but most importantly, have fun installing your handles.